Last day I was trying to start my car, but I was unable to start because its battery was low. And if your car was standing from a long time and if its battery get discharged or weaken, so how you can start? In my scenario, I have a jumper cable. If you want to buy, you can buy a jumper cable, and we have to open the car hood and we need another vehicle for start our car. And after that we have to connect our car's battery terminals in minus of other car, and the plus positive one is in others positive one. And after that we have to start the second other car, and we have to give escalator. And after that we have to try to start our car, and we will able to start. Hope you liked this video, understood how to start your car if battery is low or poor. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. If you want to buy the jumper cable, link is given in the description below. Like, share, subscribe.